Suit jacket.
A suit jacket provides structure and style to the outfit, while enhancing the wearer's formal appearance.
Shoulder.
Provides structure and shape to the upper part of the jacket.
Chest pocket.
A small pocket for holding items like a pocket square.
Sleeves.
Cover the arms and contribute to overall fit and comfort.
Side pockets.
Provides space to carry small essentials conveniently.
Back vent.
A slit at the back of the jacket that allows ease of movement.
Waist.
The part that shapes the suit around the body for a better fit.
Shirt.
A garment worn under the suit that provides comfort and formality.
Tie.
A decorative piece worn around the neck to enhance appearance.
Waistcoat.
A sleeveless garment worn under the jacket for added style and warmth.
Lapels.
Folded flaps on the front of a jacket that add structure and style.
Lapel hole.
A small hole used to hold a boutonniere or decorative pin.
Inner pocket.
Used to securely carry small personal items like a wallet or phone.
Taper.
The gradual narrowing of the suit to create a fitted, streamlined look.
Cuffs.
The ends of sleeves that provide a neat and finished appearance.
Cuff link.
A fastening accessory used to secure shirt cuffs.
Buttons.
Used to fasten the jacket and enhance its design.
Buttonhole.
A slit that allows buttons to pass through and secure clothing.
Pants length.
Determines how the trousers fall on the shoes for proper fit.